She had surgery about 20 hours ago. Her belly's all stitched up, and all she wants to do is run around and play. Oh my gosh. Oh. I have to keep her in there at night. Oh, I can't keep up with her. She's just crazy. It hurts my stomach to watch her. Where have you gone? She eats well. She plays well. She uses her litter box. She didn't like the cage, but I had to because it was like 11 o'clock at night and she was still running crazy. My other cats always play too, but they never like this. They said she's probably about 8 months old. They think that she had a heat before, but they didn't know if she had kittens or not. Come on, baby, let's play in the other room. Come on. Come on. Come on, I got your ball. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look. Come on. She's just a crazy cat. I don't know if I could get her to wear a broom, because she's kind of messy with her kitty litter. I don't like that in the kitchen, but I've got to keep her here till I can figure out what else I'm going to do. I think she's going to have to, if I keep her, she'll have to be declawed. Come here. She's not supposed to be running. She's not supposed to be jumping. She does it all. She digs all the toys out of the toy box. Here's one. This is her favorite. She loves this. What'd you do? She
grabbed her tail when she went by her.
Oh, Sasha grabbed her tail. Sasha wants to play, she just doesn't know how. She enjoys the heck out of watching her. Are you tired yet? Huh? Are you tired? You get a little breath and that's it. There she goes, finding a toy. She knows that says cat box. Oh gosh, she likes that one. She found that one last night. Well, that's kind of good because we buy these toys and the cats don't use them. I'll try to show you her belly if she'll let me. In there. Oh, see? See? Yep, we got it cut out. It certainly didn't hurt Shani, except you can't have babies. Oh, baby. You're not supposed to run around. And this one is so sweet and quiet. Hi, Sash. Do you have a friend now? Huh? Do you have a friend? Yes, you're a good mommy. Yes. Yesterday was Willie's birthday and he was in heaven and your little friend got fixed. Why don't you calm down a little bit, baby? You're with a 79-year-old lady and a 75-year-old man. We don't have energy. But I guess you got enough for both. Why don't you lay down? Take a little nappy. Oh, she napped from 11 last night to 7 this morning. In there. And she used her litter box. Oh, that was the best thing in the world. If she didn't use that, she'd be gone. Bye, guys.